going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at the secret auction location to go through some cars. So let's jump into it today with number one on my list. How about a CLS 63 AMG? You guys know Mercedes isn't exactly my wheelhouse, so I don't know the difference really between like a CLS or a CLK or an SL, or they got so many different names, I don't know. Obviously, this is smaller than an S-Class, which would make me think a CLS would be like a compact version, but it has that same 6.3 liter that the S63 AMG has. It's got a very sporty look to it, even though it is four doors. That roof line in the back just kind of slopes down, almost like a fastback. It's got drilled rotors. This is a nice looking car. It's been here for a while, and it keeps bringing right around $8,000. I have no idea what the value of this car actually is. You got your captain's chairs in the back. Battery's dead. That's not surprising. We're gonna, ooh, boy, it is hot to touch. It is super hot to touch. The seat's actually in good condition. I wonder what the miles are on it. It doesn't smell bad at all. It really doesn't. This is decent. Hopefully the keys are in it. Oh no. Oh no, someone took. That's a problem. That is a big problem. Let's see if we can pop the hood. The battery jump for this is in the trunk. Oh, they left the key in it. Uh-oh, is it stuck? It's stuck? It doesn't work. So this is how you would traditionally get into this, but the lock is, yeah, it doesn't work. Uh-oh. Well, I can already tell you, because it's a Mercedes, there's no jump points under the hood. So, oh wow. The hood struts are bad. This doesn't look good. The coolant reservoir is just kind of flopping around. Somebody's been tearing stuff off under the hood, probably looking for a place to jump it. I don't think you're going to find one under here, guys. Mercedes is just not known for giving you a spot to jumpstart your car under the hood. You got to get into the trunk, and that's a problem. This thing's pretty rough, guys. It's got a lot of oil seepage all over the place. Good Lord. Well, maybe this one's not really worth looking at. I don't know. I saw it drive through the auction, though, so somebody got it running. Just not sure exactly how they did it. And obviously, the owner wasn't wanting to let it go. It's got nice tires. The body looks relatively good. It's got the quad exhaust tips, AMG. You got the AMG wheels. You got AMG brake calipers. If only there was a way of getting this to open. Yeah, it doesn't work. Hold on. I'm doing it wrong. That's why. I found it, I did. All right, so the battery's usually on the driver or passenger side. I'm sorry. Yeah, there it is. There it is. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick that up there. We're gonna put a jump on it real quick, and let's fire this bad boy up. All right, we got the boost pack on here, and if you look, this is a genuine Mercedes battery. See if I can get you in on that a little bit. There it is, genuine Mercedes from 5 of 2018. All right, so recently, a few years ago, somebody was still spending good money on this old girl. Ooh, it's so hot. Holy crap. Woo! Oh my. Okay, what lights do we have on? Check engine light immediately. TPMS light, miles 195. Good Lord, she got some miles on her. You got a start stop button right there. Doesn't seem to do anything. Air conditioning, hell, I don't know. Boy, max cool, turn that on. Woo! Important window works. Power steering works. It goes into gear backwards and forwards. The AC does work, but it's just so hot in this car right now. I can't even tell you guys. Like, I'm already I'm dripping sweat, and I just got in this car. Give her a little rev. She sounds good. And the AC is nice and cold. Just damn, this black car, ooh, look at all that smoke. Woo! She is smoking a bit, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to come out on camera or not, but she's smoking. Huh. We should smell it, see what it smells like. It's kind of sweet. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. The alternator's charging though, so that's good. Almost 14 volts. We can turn this off. It's not needed anymore. And let's get this out of the way. We can close the trunk. All right. Set this over here. She's not a bad looking car, guys. I don't know though, over 8 grand? All right, well, the iPhone finally overheated and died, which is why I got rid of the GoPro, because it did it all the time. But looking at the temperature, yeah, I can kind of understand why it had a problem. So let's try to pick up where I left off here. It's got a matching pair of tires on the back. They're Coopers. Then on the front, it's got a matching pair of Saloons. I don't know who makes Saloon, but it's got a pair of Saloons on the front. She seems to be running well. You can hear it. I mean, it really is. It's running very well. I think my biggest concern is I saw some smoke coming out of the tailpipes a little while ago. Now let's come back here and just take another look. I don't see it now. All right. Okay, good deal. Let's sit inside real quick, make sure the air conditioning is doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, wow. No, it ain't. Ha! Woo! Good Lord. No, it is not. Air conditioning is hot. You think it'll start back up? Nope. Dead as a doornail. Dead as a doornail. Okay, well, ow, even the key is hot in this thing. Good God. Wow. Well, hopefully the window goes up. Nope, it doesn't. I think the battery's just completely dead. Anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna be bidding on this. I wanted to, I really, really wanted to, but let's be honest. A 200,000 mile Mercedes is probably a very, very bad idea. Next on my list, a lot of you folks like trucks, so here's a 2017 F350 Lariat 6.7 power stroke diesel sitting on some big old wheels and tires. We got some Coopers. What size are these bad boys, man? They are 37s by 13.5 by 18, sitting on some Method wheels. Looks like some bead lockers, and I think those are legit. Fox suspension, of course. This thing's, to say it's big is an understatement. Infab rock sliders. I mean, I guess you could call those running boards, but to me, they're just rock sliders. It's a big truck, guys. It's a big truck. This is nice. You got your blind spot radar in the taillights like the Rams have. Yeah, this thing is massive. Good Lord. All right, let's take a peek at the interior, see what she looks like. You guys might recognize this. The CTS is still sitting here. It keeps going for 12, 13,000, and they just won't let it go. And I'm just not gonna pay that much for it, but. Okay, well, you know what? It's big on the outside, but on the interior, it just doesn't seem so big. At least compared to the Ram, anyway. My Power Wagon just seems like it's got a lot more room in the back. It smells all right. Let's take a look up front, see what she looks like. I wonder what the miles are on it. Okay. Well, it's nice up here. Very nice up here. Let's climb in, if I can do it without busting my Woo, seats are hot. Woo. 166,000 miles on the odometer. Okay, thank you. There we go. It's out of diesel. TPMS light is on. Low fuel light is on. That's it. Not bad. What do you guys think? I like this truck. I do. I'm not interested in it. Don't get me wrong. I'm not interested in it. I'm showing it because a lot of you folks love to see pickup trucks, man. So I try to show a little bit of everything. Windows work like they should. Nice tinted windows. Steering feels good. Brakes, solid. You got the bird's eye view, that's nice. Backwards. Forwards. Absolutely. Ah, somebody had a tuner on it. Look at this. Someone had a tuner on this. That's a big port. It almost looks like an HDMI port. It says OBD2, so somebody had a tuner on this bad boy, didn't they? Yeah. All right, let's pop the hood if we can even get up in there. I don't know if we can or not. It'd be nice if this thing had real running boards, because where this is right here, way up here, it's kind of awkward to climb, and yeah, that doesn't work very well. This thing desperately needs some real running boards. She sounds good though, doesn't she? Listen to that. I just love the sound of a diesel, don't you? Love the sound of a diesel. I miss it. I do. I miss my old Cummins, man. Healthy. Sounds healthy. Let's go back and listen to the exhaust real quick. A little damage right there. It's got some dings and dents. It's to be expected from an older truck. Probably used for work. Woo! I assume it still has its DEF. Yeah, looks like it does. Cats. It's still got all the stuff it's supposed to, I imagine. Let me climb back. This is so. I mean, look at what I got to do here, guys. I got to hike my leg up, grab this handle, and pull myself in. It's a little awkward. It's a little awkward. I don't know, man. I'm not looking for another truck, but this is nice. This is real nice. Wow. Fuel economy. 10.6 average fuel economy. That's bad. All of my vehicles get far better than that. And with the cost of diesel, could you imagine? No, man. No. Diesel's like 5 something a gallon out here, depending on where you go, of course. Cheaper in some places, more expensive in others. Yeah, I don't know. All right. I love all the storage. Lots of storage in here. Air conditioning's ice cold. Of course, you got heated and ventilated seats as well. You got your trailer brake. You got your 4x4 right there. Cruise control and audio controls and everything like that right here. Menu options. Very well laid out. This is nice. This is really nice. Guys, comment below. Tell me what you think of the Power Stroke. Last one on my list. It had to be another Mercedes because I just walked by it and I fell in love. What, an S560, I believe. This thing's got to be money. It's a 4MATIC. Look at her. Tell me that is not beautiful. I know where this came from too. This came from Mercedes-Benz of Oklahoma City. They've been sending a lot of newer cars, newer low mileage cars to this auction. I saw this one run through and I was like, man, look at that interior. Look at the screens in the back. Oh, and it's hot too. Boy, is it hot. Oh my goodness. You got that quilted leather interior. This thing just screams luxury, as it should, man. It's a Mercedes, come on. Woo! Oh yeah. 103 degrees is what it says. Yeah. Any warning lights on? No. No. Just parking brake. Which, that should be off now. It's not. Uh-oh. There we go. I pushed it the wrong way. Oh, this is nice. Are you kidding me? Wow. Yeah, this screen right here that just wraps the whole way, that's beautiful. And you even get quilted leather up here as well. This is nice. Of course, air conditioning is ridiculously cold. Oh, that feels good. That feels real good. Look at the audio system. I mean, just the attention to detail everywhere in these cars. It just blows me away. That should have opened the trunk. It did. Let's take a peek. We already know the windows, brakes, and everything are gonna work, right? No question about that. Oh, look, you got a subwoofer over here. So nice. I can't remember what this one went for, but I keep thinking it was somewhere around 97,000, something like that. They had an AMG GT that went through here yesterday, and guys, $87,000. $87,000. Is that oil? That's oil, I think. Look at this. That looks like oil all over by where the turbos are under this shield right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't think there's supposed to be oil there. I wonder what happened. It doesn't seem to be a problem now. So maybe just an oil leak from like the oil line. Oh, I'm just gonna close this door. Sitting here for just a minute. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, this is so nice. Miles are 86,000. Wow, it's actually got some miles on it, doesn't it? 86,620. Yeah, maybe this didn't go for 100 grand then. I don't know. I'm not sure what these things are worth. All I can tell you is she is a nice car. 86,000 miles. It's got no warning lights on the dash, which is kind of unusual for a Mercedes, if you ask me anyway. I love it. I love it. Let's see what we got down here. It looks like you got your, is that wireless charging? I believe it is. I believe we have wireless charging. You have near field communication. You got USB ports. You've got an SD card slot. She's loaded with options, man. What is this? Mercedes-Benz. Was it an air? Oh, it's an air freshener. Okay. Okay, and it's got a special little cubby hole that it sits in down here. Look at this. It's got a spot that it sits in. Wow. Well, there's an idea. What do you guys think? I love it. Definitely curious as to how much this thing is worth, though, and how much it sold for. If it sold at all, it's hard to tell. The auction is Thursday, and today is Friday, so all of these cars have already run through. But this is an 18 model right here. All of these have already run through the auction, but that doesn't mean that they sold. Yeah, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. What do you guys think? I think that's the end of the video. So we are gonna get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. I would truly appreciate it. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. Look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.